Lose 12 kilograms weight in 1 month. Yes, that's 100% true and proved by me. If you need to lose 12 kilograms weight in this month, watch the full video. You can see the good result in 15 days. End of the video I can show you proof. So don't skip a single step. Brazilian diet is considered the newest trend nowadays. The result it gives is what makes it really popular. There are two versions of this diet, fast and normal. You should not try the fast version because it can negatively affect your overall health. Try the normal version of the Brazilian diet. Let's start. It includes mainly fruits and vegetables, which is pretty good for your health. You will need to consume 4-5 meals every day, and if you stick to this plan you will get the desired results. Follow this diet plan for 1 week. Saturday plan. Breakfast: 1 slice of toast and 1 cup apple juice. Lunch: 1 bowl of vegetable soup, creamy mushroom soup or fish stew, 1 small piece of bread. Snack: 150 grams of boiled grated beet salad with little bit of oil. Dinner: 1 bowl of vegetable soup, creamy mushroom soup or fish stew, 100 grams fruit, 4 lettuce leaves. Before going to bed, 2 dried figs and 1 cup of apple juice. This plan should be followed for 2-4 weeks, but not longer than a month. You can combine it with physical activities like walking, cycling, swimming or something else in order to achieve even better results. When you finish with this diet, continue to consume more fruits, vegetables and proteins. Sunday plan. Breakfast: a handful of grapes, 1 banana. Lunch: 100 grams of boiled meat, 100 grams of fresh cabbage, onion and lemon juice salad. Snack: 1 small piece of toast, 1 cup of carrot juice. Dinner: 1 bowl of vegetable soup, creamy mushroom or fish stew, 4 lettuce leaves, 100 grams of fruit. Before bed, 2 dried figs, 1 cup of apple juice. Monday plan. Breakfast: 1 banana, 1 orange, and 1 cup of orange juice. Lunch: 100 grams of fresh veggie salad and 100 grams of boiled fish. Snack: 1 cup of orange juice and 1 slice of toast. Dinner: the same as lunch. Before going to bed, 1 small piece of toast and 1 cup of orange juice. Tuesday plan. Breakfast: 1 cup of apple juice and 1 soft-boiled egg. Lunch: 2 boiled potatoes, 4 lettuce leaves and 100 grams of cooked meat. Snack: 1 small piece of toast and 1 cup of apple juice. Dinner: 200 grams of boiled fish, 1 hard-boiled egg, lettuce, peas, which you can have fresh or canned. Before going to bed, 1 toast and 1 cup of apple juice. Wednesday plan. Breakfast: 1 slice of toast, 1 cup of lean milk. Lunch: 100 grams of rice, 150 grams of fresh cabbage salad with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and finely chopped parsley. Snack: 100 grams of lean cheese. Dinner: 100 grams of cooked meat, 1 apple, 4 lettuce leaves. Before going to bed, 1 small piece of toast and 1 cup of apple juice. Thursday plan. Breakfast: 1 cup of pineapple juice, 60 grams of pineapple. Lunch: 100 grams of boiled meat, small piece of cheese and 1 orange. Snack: 1 small piece of toast and 1 cup of pineapple juice. Dinner: 2 boiled potatoes, 150 grams of grated carrot salad with oil. Before going to bed, 1 slice of toast and 1 cup of pineapple juice. Friday plan. Breakfast: 1 small toast and 1 cup of apple juice. Lunch: 150 grams boiled fish, 2 small boiled carrots. Snack: 1 orange and 1 apple. Dinner: 1 bowl of vegetable soup. You can choose from cream or mushroom soup or fish stew, and a small piece of bread. Before going to bed, 1 small piece of toast and 1 cup of orange juice. If you can follow this plan, I am sure you can lose 12 kilograms plus in 1 month. You can see a simple proof. This is my friend Avia, before 1 month and after 1 month. So apply this as soon as possible. If you like the video, give a thumbs up and share with your friends for more health and fitness tips. Subscribe to this channel.